gas really make a pop when you light it? Let's test it. Here I have sulfuric acid and magnesium ribbon. I am pouring sulfuric acid into the test tube. Then I will take magnesium ribbon and dip it into it. Now you can see the magnesium ribbon, and these are the pieces, and I have to drop them in test tube. Then you can see the bubbles and the hydrogen gap escaping. After holding it, I have to bring a burning splinter near it. Now let's bring a flame close, then you will hear the sound. Did you hear it? Pop sound. Let's try again. Little bit. There it is. The famous pop sound test confirming hydrogen gas.